all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm at a burger place I've never been to before called Cloud9 Burgers. Got the bag of French fries here. This place was actually recommended from some folks on Reddit. I basically just went there and asked, hey, who has a good burger? And they said, oh man, check this place out. I was like, I will. So, the fries look pretty standard. Nice, crispy golden. And they have their own fry sauce, which looks just like the other fry sauces. What's that? Mayo with ketchup. I don't know if that's a universal recipe around here, but it literally tastes just like every other place. But I think they add a little bit more seasoning to theirs. A little bit more tang. So, right. Let's get to the burger. I mean, it's nice and thick. I asked for no onion. Let's see if they did it. Interesting. They put green leaf lettuce on it, but they also put shredded lettuce on it too. Of course, I got the bacon cheeseburger. I've never seen a place put two kinds of lettuce on a burger. That's a new one. Alright, so here's the burger. So they put shredded lettuce in there, but they also put green leaf lettuce in there. I've never seen that before. That's a new one. So, got the bun, bacon, tomato, bacon kind of slid off. It's alright though. And of course, if I can get one, your standard French fry. Enjoy my lunch. Verdict on the burger. I thought it was good, but it seemed almost like there was the proportion of lettuce like overpowered the actual beef, and I think it was only like a quarter-pound patty. But the ingredients were nice and fresh, so high marks on that. And the shredded lettuce, which I don't normally like, wasn't too bad because it didn't have a bunch of stems, ends, and pieces, which is good. So, would get again, but I think I would, if I go back again and tell them, yeah, half the lettuce. Whatever you put on there, put half as much. But with that being said, let's go to the menu, and I'll show you that, and then we'll come back and close the video out. All right. I'm currently editing the video, so let's go to their website. Here's Cloud9 Burgers. Actually, I just went there today, so they had a sourdough bun I forgot to ask for. Damn it. So, choice of buns, they had wheat, sourdough, gluten-free bun, lettuce wrap, or brioche bun. I think I just got the regular bun, because I forgot to ask for sourdough. Add-ons, cheese, bacon, avocado, jalapeno, fried egg, onion ring, sauteed mushrooms. Substitute, onion ring, curly... okay. So, I don't know if that's coming up okay. Of course, I'll link it below. So they got the classic burger, lettuce, tomato, pickle, red onion, house dressing. Cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, sweet rain burger, bacon, cheddar cheese, avocado, fig jam, lettuce, tomato, pickle, red onion, garlic aioli, and House dressing. The picnic burger, ham, fried egg. That actually sounds pretty good, except for the onion. Ick. Uh, Swiss mushroom burger, sriracha burger, Aloha beef burger, which is cheese, lettuce, pineapple, teriyaki sauce. Aloha chicken burger, same thing but with chicken. Crispy chicken burger, which actually sounds pretty good. I'd get bacon and cheese added to it though. Grilled chicken breast burger. So crispy is fried, grilled is basically cooked on the top. Turkey burger, crispy cod burger, basically fish sandwich. Grilled salmon burger, not sure if that's fried or not, but then garden burger. So they have chicken and seafood. They got chicken basket, chicken tenders, chicken nuggets, cod and chips, shrimp and chips, clams and chips. Then they got salads, grilled chicken salad, crispy chicken salad, side salad. See, it's smart because they can use the same chicken they use on the burgers on the salad. So, and then sides, French fries, onion rings, curly fries, sweet potato. Oh, I didn't realize I had sweet potato fries. I would have ordered those. Mozzarella cheese sticks, fried zucchini, fried mushrooms, and then fried jalapenos. And then for the kids, basically the same thing: hamburger, cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, hot dog, grilled cheese sandwich, BLT, hamburger. Oh, and then there's junior burgers: hamburger, cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger. Then you get your assortment of drinks and shakes and ice cream. They serve Coca-Cola products. So a few pictures. Of course, it never looks the same. See the picture? Oh, I guess it does. The picture here shows shredded lettuce and green. I didn't pick up on that, but this one doesn't. So looks like they had some recent car show. I'll take the Mustang. So there you go. All right, well there you go. That's the menu. And as always, I do appreciate you watching. There's going to be a end card that's going to have the playlist for this series plus the last video in this series. And I'll keep doing it as long as I find places to come enjoy. So, because I do like eating burgers and stuff. So, anyway, I do appreciate watching. Thanks, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.